Guys, I'm gonna show you how to prepare a sauce to season your chicken. This is really simple and you can use it for almost anything that you want to season, and it tastes amazing, guys. So I don't have garlic with me right now, but you do need garlic. You're gonna need salt, onion, cilantro, green pepper, red pepper, tomato. Now let's chop this down in small pieces. All right, so now we're gonna grab this and we're gonna grind it. You're gonna grind it all together, no water. Just put in, remember, put garlic. Guys, I forgot to put a little bit, I forgot to put salt, so grab some salt. You don't want to put a lot of salt in this because if one day you season something else, like shrimps or whatever it is, you want to make sure that you don't over season it. I'm talking about in salt, like you over salt it. So you could, if you like, you could also put a little bit of pepper, like jalapeno inside, a little bit of oregano. I like to put the oregano on the meat myself. One second, let me take this out. So yeah, I like to put the pepper on the meat, on the chicken myself, and I mean that's oregano, and then you could just grab salt, put it there. Grab the so remember, you could put the sauce away and use it for other things, but I'm gonna use a whole entire season right here that I just made. You can make a gallon of this and put it away, and every time you want to cook, you just put it there, put a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. Yeah, so that's it. I just grab this. No water. I don't add no water to that, and I just cover it and leave it there.